Okay, so we want to look at one more kind of non-numerical or categorical variable that's a little bit different than country. And for this one, we were going to choose income group. So that's the World Bank divides countries up every couple of years into what type of income group that they are in. So let's drag income group over here to row, and we can see that there's 4 categories of income group. High income, low middle income, and upper middle income. So this is what is also often called a categorical variable. These variables aren't counting things, they're just classifying things. So once you have the variable in the row group, you'll want to take the measure value and drag that into the columns group. So what we're looking at with non-numeric variables is sort of the number of records or the number of entries that are within each category rather than the value themselves. So in percent who have water to drink, we're looking at the value itself. So within each country, how many people have sufficient water to drink? That's a number variable. This is a non-number variable, categorical variable. So within each category, how many countries are there? So we need to visualize that a little bit differently. Tableau by default will visualize it in a bar chart, which is very helpful. We can use the Show Me tab and look at it as a pie chart. So we can see that the high income, there are more high income countries in our data set than anything else. This here is the low income, lower middle, and there are 56 upper middle income. So this is a pie chart. You can also look at it as, we've already seen a bar chart, but a stacked bar chart is sometimes very interesting. So this right here, by default, Tableau is showing you the counts, how many counts there are of each high income, low middle, and upper middle income countries in your data set. That's very useful. However, might be easier to think about it if you make a stacked bar chart. So what it all adds up to 100%, what percent is in each country. You want to go up to the Analysis tab, Percentage of, and then choose Table. So you can see you've moved from a count to percentages, and you can see exactly what percent, so 36.24% of the countries are high income. So there's a difference between the way you visualize for yourself and the way you visualize for an audience. You really need to follow more universal, culturally appropriate best practices in terms of visualizing for your audience. However, when you're only doing this kind of exploratory data viz for yourself, you can use anything you like. You only need to be concerned about best practices for yourself. The next video will take this kind of univariate analysis of one variable at a time, a little bit deeper. Thank you.